Hello! So my Skull Panda Winter Symphony series plush panda just arrived and I'm really excited because it is out of stock, sold out everywhere, and I'm hoping to get any of these. Actually, all of these look so amazing. The box art looks so Lolita gothic and cutie inspired, so I'm hoping to get these brown ones: Wonder Soon, Otokuko, Song of Snow, and The Secret, of course. So without further ado, let's get opening. Ganon. So, buksan ko siya sa ilalim para in case na doble, I can still exchange. Okay, hold on. Ako baka masira ako. Wait lang. Ayan, dapat na ma-master ko na to. Yeah. Alright. Kayo muna tumingin. Ang hirap pala buksan ito. Okay, wait lang. Hirap niya buksan compare sa mga previous boxes. Ay, shit. Sira ako. Hold on. Oh! Let it snow! Ang gaganda ng mga pools ko. Ang ganda! She looks really sparkly white. Parang Winter Wonderland theme. Ganda ng scarf niya, oh. To ang dumihin niya, pero ang ganda. Ito yung card na kasama. Ayan. So nice! Yay! This looks even more secret than the others. So yun, 10 out of 10. Actually, 999 over 10. So pakita ko sa inyo ibang details. Ang ganda, guys! Ah. So nice. Yay! Ang saya ko talaga. Anyways.